Question number 16. The price of a pen is 13 rupees. The price of a notebook is 17. A school spends exactly 10,000 rupees in the year 1718 to buy X pens and Y notebooks. So the total price would be 13x plus 17y. This is 10,000. And we have to minimize mod of x minus y. In the next year, the school spends a little more than 10,000 rupees to buy Y pens and X notebooks. So Y pens into 13 rupees each plus X books into 17 each. This is the total cost. It is said that this is slightly more than 10,000 rupees. Let us say the difference is D. How much more did the school pay? So we are interested in finding the value of D. Let us call this equation 1 and equation 2. If we subtract, we get 4 times x minus y is equal to D. Now D is positive, so we have x is greater than y. Let the difference between x and y be some t. So we can write x is equal to y plus t. Substituting this value in the first equation, we get 13 times y plus t plus 17y equals 10,000, or 30y plus 13t is equal to 10,000. Now this term and this term are multiples of 10. Therefore 13t also should be a multiple of 10. In other words, t should be a multiple of 10. Let us assume t is equal to 10. Let's see what happens. We get 30y plus 130 is equal to 10,000. After cancelling 10, we get 3y is equal to 1000 minus 13. That would be 987, or y is equal to 329. From here, we get x is equal to y plus t. Y is 329 and t is 10. So we get x is equal to 339. So for the given equation, we got one solution as 339, 329. Now the other solutions of x will be forming an AP with common difference 17, and other values of y will be forming an AP with common difference 13. So the next value of x will be 339 plus 17, that would be 356. The next value of y would be 329 minus 13, we get 316. Because the sum is constant, if one increases, the other has to decrease. And you can see that in this particular case, x is greater than y. The previous solution will be 339 minus 17, that would be 322. 329 plus 13, that would be 342. And in this case, x is less than y. So the solution in which x minus y is least is this solution, 339, 329. So D is nothing but 4 times of x minus y. So in this case, x minus y is 10. So 4 into 10, 40. So how much more did the school pay? 40 rupees. That's the answer.